In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change shipping address after order in eBay. If you've already placed an order and then realized the shipping address needs to be updated, it's important to know that eBay usually doesn't let you directly change the shipping address on an order that has already been submitted. So in this process, you'll first cancel the order if possible, and then update the address in your account settings so future purchases or a reordered item will go to the correct location. To begin, go to eBay and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're on the home page, move your cursor over the My eBay option near the top of the screen. This will open a menu with several account-related options. From that menu, click on Purchase History. This section shows the orders you've placed, making it easier to find the item connected to the shipping address you need to correct. Now, locate the order you want to update. On that order, click More Actions and then choose Cancel. This step is necessary because the address for an existing order usually cannot be edited after checkout. If the seller has not shipped the item yet, the cancellation may go through without a problem. If it has already been processed or shipped, you may need to contact the seller separately, but for this tutorial, the step here is to cancel the order from your purchase history. After that, go back to your account area and click on Account. This will take you into your account settings where your personal information and delivery details are managed. Inside the account section, click on Addresses. This page contains the addresses saved to your eBay profile, including your shipping address. Next, find the shipping address section and click Edit. From here, you can update the address details so the correct shipping information is saved on your account. Take a moment to carefully review everything before saving, especially your street address, apartment or unit number, city, state, and postal code. Even a small typo can cause delivery issues later. Once your shipping address has been updated, you can return and place the order again using the correct address. That way, the item will be sent to the right location from the start. And that's how to change shipping address after order in eBay. If you found this helpful, feel free to follow along with more simple eBay tutorials.